Gates open, that up and racing glamorous from the outside, dancing tight, moving up down on the inside, then racing in third, Fuego, silent operator, then comes Hot Gossip and Bonjour, about to pass the last 800, dancing tight, leading the field by about 2, then racing in second, Glamorous, Fuego is on the outside, then comes Hot Gossip, silent operator, as they race towards the last 450, dancing tight by about a length and a half. Glamorous is still in second. Fuego is in third, moving up. Hot Gossip with 150 to go. Dancing tight, still leading the field by about 2 lengths. Glamorous is in second. Hot Gossip moving up to take third with 100 meters more to run. Dancing tight from start to finish. Glamorous, Hot Gossip, Bonjour. Then comes number 4, Strong Boy, Fuego, and Silent Operator.
Okay, crossing the wire first.